Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting with VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. So here we have a table. It starts from cell B2 and it ends in V190. Just an example. Now I want to change the background color and the color of a specific cell based on the value of a specific text and its corresponding value in column V, whether it's yes or no. So if it's yes, I want to change the color to something. Let's go to the other sheet here. I wrote it down here. It's the link to this Google Sheet will be in the description, of this video. So here in cell D7, I'll write a value, and if the corresponding value in column V is yes, then this cell should change to yellow, as it says here. And this one should change to pink. Now let's see how we did it. I did it here. Let's look for this text AA123. It's right here. Just gonna color it. Let's make it green and bold. And you can see right now the value is no. As you can see here, and here I wrote it. Now let's look at the first version, which will not use the indirect command or function. This one just looks for value D7, which is here, in this range, in column V, which is the 21st. And right now its value is no, so the color is not yellow yet. Let's change it to yes. Now if we go back, we'll see that it changed to yes. How did I do it? Format, conditional formatting. I just wrote here that if the text is exactly yes, then change it to a yellow background. This is the relatively simple conditional format. And you can see it does not use the indirect function. Now let's see. I'll change it here. This is nicer, I think. Now, in this cell, I wrote, again, just for this example, if the value here is yes, then write great, and otherwise write no, no, no. But the color is different. And as you can see here, I'll change it again to no. And come back here. Let's change it to black. Currently the text color is black and the background is white, and it will change to pink when I'll change it to yes. So let's change it to yes. Here. And it's automatically changed to pink. Now let's see how I did it. Go to formatting, conditional formatting, and you can see here that I have a formula here. I'll also put this formula in the description of the video, and it's also here, so it will be clearer. This is what I wrote. This is too narrow, so I'll just wrote it here. It will not work if you write it here like this. This is just text, right? There's no equal sign, nothing. So what I wrote here is that VLOOKUP for this 7 and indirect, and then open brackets and then quotation mark, and then the name of the other sheet, exclamation mark, and then the range, and then quotation mark, close the brackets, etc., etc. So this is how you use conditional formatting with VLOOKUP with an indirect function which references a range in another sheet. So the trick here is to put the brackets and the quotation mark which surrounds the range, which includes the sheet name, the other sheet name. And that's it. Hope you liked it. If you did, you can click on like and subscribe to our channel to get more updates.